So 2 years ago, I gave myself a challenge of making $1,000 through affiliate marketing, but this year I've decided to make times 5 of that. So the goal for this year is to make $5,000 through affiliate marketing, and I'm only remaining with about 5 months. And here is where I am currently. So look at this. So currently I'm on $1,000 in within a month. So if you pay attention here, when you look at this line, then if I move straight with it, so as you can see, currently I'm on $1,000, and this is only from 5th June. So this is starting from last month, and today it's actually today is 2nd of July. So if I can make this in a month, it should be possible to make this in 5 months, to make times 5 of this in 5 months. So let's see how it goes. So in case you're interested in doing the same, like in giving yourself a challenge to try and see if this can work for you, actually I've got a course that can actually do that. So all you need to do is simply visit academy.k17.ma/courses, and the course I'm actually talking about is a cheap course which costs $9, which is like 175 kwacha, and you get to learn about affiliate marketing, like how you can promote things and earn commission. Okay, you learn the exact steps that I take. So all you need to do is simply contact me and I'll enroll you. So it's that easy.